3x3 Flamin Abs Inferno. Torch your core in under 3 minutes. Welcome to the 3x3 Flamin Abs Inferno. Get ready to torch your core with this explosive ab workout that takes less than 3 minutes, just 3 times a week. This routine is designed to target your entire core and set your abs on fire for the ultimate burn. Before we jump into this fiery ab workout, it's essential to remember the importance of a proper warm-up and stretching before and after your workout. Warming up helps to increase blood flow to your muscles and joints, preparing your body for physical activity and reducing the risk of injury. Stretching after your workout aids in muscle recovery and flexibility, further preventing injury and promoting overall wellness. Now, let's dive into the 3x3 Flamin Abs Inferno workout. Warm-up. Begin with a quick 30-second warm-up to get your blood pumping. Do jumping jacks, high knees, or march in place. The workout. Perform each exercise for 20 seconds, followed by a 10-second rest. Repeat the circuit 3 times for a total of 2 minutes and 40 seconds. Lightning leg raises. Lie on your back with your hands under your glutes. Keep your legs straight and raise them towards the ceiling. Lower your legs slowly until they are just above the ground. Raise your legs again and repeat for 20 seconds. Rest for 10 seconds. Volcanic V-ups. Lie on your back with your legs extended and arms overhead. In one motion, lift your upper body and legs to form a V shape. Lower back down to the starting position and repeat for 20 seconds. Rest for 10 seconds. Scorching scissor kicks. Lie on your back with your hands under your glutes. Lift your legs about 6 inches off the ground. Perform a scissor motion by crossing one leg over the other, alternating legs for 20 seconds. Rest for 10 seconds. Blaze bicycle crunches. Lie on your back with your hands behind your head and knees bent. Bring your right elbow to your left knee while extending your right leg. Switch sides, bringing your left elbow to your right knee. Continue alternating for 20 seconds. Rest for 10 seconds. Sizzling side plank dips, 10 seconds each side. Begin in a side plank position on your left elbow. Lower your hips towards the ground and then lift them back up. Repeat for 10 seconds, then switch to the right side for another 10 seconds. Rest for 10 seconds. Repeat the circuit 2 more times for a total of 3 rounds. When you're done, don't forget to stretch your core muscles and stay hydrated. Congratulations! You've completed the 3x3 Flamin Abs Inferno workout. Be consistent with this routine 3 times a week, and you'll be on your way to a stronger, more defined core. Don't forget to share your progress with the hashtag #FlaminAbsInferno to inspire others to join the challenge. Cool down and stretching. After completing the workout, take a moment to catch your breath and gradually lower your heart rate. Finish with static stretches targeting your core muscles, such as lying leg crossovers, seated forward bends, and standing side bends. Hold each stretch for 15 to 30 seconds, remembering to breathe deeply and relax into the stretch. By incorporating warm-ups, stretching, and cooldowns into your fitness routine, you minimize the risk of injury and enhance your workout's effectiveness. Consistency is key, so stick to the 3x3 Flamin Abs Inferno workout 3 times a week, and soon you'll notice impressive results in your core strength and definition.